Hi, I'm Sharon Beal. I've been with marketing for just a little while, but I've been with Weingarten for a long while. I started out working for Martin Dubrovner and research, and then when research and marketing combined, I found my niche. And now I'm the marketing coordinator for all the shopping center marketing here at Weingarten, in addition to doing the everyday opening the mail, paying the bills, all the things that an admin does in this department. As you can see, I'm dressed for rodeo today because it's Go Texan Day, and an interesting fact about me is that I absolutely love country western music and I love to dance to it. I'm sorry that you guys aren't coming in a little early because we have the big old barbecue cook-off this weekend at Reliant, and that's where I'll be going after work today. Another interesting fact, you'll have to do the math, but I just found out yesterday that when I came to Weingarten, Carrie was only 17 years old. So, you do the math. I can't tell you how old I am, but I will tell you I look a little younger than I am. So good luck with that. Hope you guys have fun here in Houston and learn a lot about marketing. Like I said, I do a little bit of everything. I'm kind of the mom to the department as well, just because I'm older than everybody else. See you later.